Derek Chauvin was back in court today. This time the case had nothing to do with the death of George Floyd. The former Minneapolis police officer was there to resolve his tax evasion case. Here's Lou Raguse.
Derek Michael Chauvin, who has pled guilty to counts 7 and 8 of the complaint.
Appearing via Zoom from a federal prison in Tucson, Arizona, former Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin attended what might have been his final hearing in a Minnesota courtroom.
This case has obviously been pending for some time.
Chauvin and his ex-wife Kelly were charged in 2021 with 9 counts of aiding and abetting tax fraud for failing to pay Minnesota taxes in 2016, 2017, and 2018, and for not reporting his off-duty income. In a plea deal, Chauvin pleaded guilty to 2 counts and received a 13-month sentence.
Mr. Chauvin, is there anything you want to say before I sentence you?
Not at this time, Your Honor.
Earlier in the hearing, Chauvin explained that he and his wife had financial concerns at the time, received significant funds from a family member to pay a previous year's taxes, and were playing catch-up ever since. The Washington County prosecutor pointed out the irony that Chauvin avoided taxes while working a job paid for by taxpayers.
When you are not paying your taxes and you are employed as a police officer, that money is not going to the things that you even do, right?
When Kelly Chauvin is sentenced, the pair will be ordered to pay back nearly $38,000. The former officer now stands convicted in Hennepin County of murder and manslaughter in the death of George Floyd, convicted in federal court of violating Floyd's constitutional rights, and now in Washington County for tax evasion. Chauvin will not need to serve any additional time in prison for this case. He's serving 22 years in prison for the murder of George Floyd, and as part of this plea deal, he gets credit for time served for this new 13-month sentence. Back to you.